gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
When people first look at the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max, many have the same impression. Without a 1-inch main sensor and dual telephoto cameras, the hardware appears to be a step backward on paper.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
That naturally raises a few questions. Is a 1.12-inch main sensor really enough? And can a 200-megapixel telephoto camera truly make up for replacing the previous 9.4x optical zoom lens? To find out, I recently took the phone to 3 completely different shooting environments. Starting with the main camera, many would assume that dropping the 1-inch sensor would automatically reduce dynamic range, weaken highlight control, and hurt low-light performance. But in my first test location, a train station filled with mixed lighting sources, the real-world results told a different story. Looking closely at the images, there was almost no noticeable difference in highlight detail on the miniature car's paintwork, the clarity of the light halo effects, or the shadow detail around the overhead lighting fixtures. In fact, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max shown on the right actually delivered slightly better results in some areas. The only thing I noticed was that strong overhead lighting caused the floodlight effect to appear a bit more obvious. Another factor worth mentioning is the newly introduced XMAGE direct shooting feature. Once enabled, the phone intelligently recommends the most suitable color profile based on the current scene, automatically adjusting settings like color temperature and saturation beforehand. Because of this, compared to the standard shooting style, the final images looked more vibrant and playful. Even during more demanding editing scenarios, including the first-generation purple crop adjustments, the Pura 90 Pro Max camera maintained consistently strong performance. After running numerous editing tests, I found that the change in sensor size did not result in any major drop in image quality. On the contrary, thanks to improved dynamic range processing, photos appeared brighter overall, retained more shadow detail, displayed richer colors, and delivered smoother tonal transitions across challenging scenes. While the main camera proved to be surprisingly reliable, the real star of the show was the telephoto camera. Huawei equipped the Pura 90 Pro Max with a 200-megapixel telephoto sensor that features the largest sensor size currently available in the industry for this category, and the results are unlike anything I've seen from other smartphone telephoto systems. The first thing you notice is the incredible level of image compression and detail. There's an immediate sense of information overload. Fine textures that would normally remain hidden only become fully visible once you zoom in and examine the image closely. Achieving this level of detail is difficult even with a standard 1x shot or a typical 4x telephoto camera. That massive resolution gives photographers tremendous freedom when it comes to cropping and reframing. To put it to the test, I headed to the zoo. The photos were captured in the high-resolution mode, similar to shooting at around 4x and then editing afterward. While this mode does require a certain level of stability during capture, the benefits are undeniable. When photographing animals from a distance, image detail remained noticeably superior even at 10x. The improvement was easy to see, and the difference was also reflected in the image data itself, including both file size and resolution. For subjects positioned closer to the camera, the advantage of having 4 times the resolution became even more obvious. So does this mean high resolution is now essential? To explore that question, I tested the camera at 10x, 20x, and 30x levels. The image quality clearly reveals that Huawei has specifically optimized these focal lengths. What's even more impressive is the optimization starts before you press the shutter button. Compared to telephoto systems from other manufacturers, the preview image itself already appears noticeably sharper. Of course, another major highlight is the XMAGE intelligent shooting experience. The system is genuinely smart and adapts its recommendations depending on the environment. For example, when shooting in places like train stations or exhibition halls, it can automatically suggest panoramic shooting modes to help capture the scene more effectively.
All of the color profile adjustments are shown live on the display, so you can instantly see the changes and decide which look works best. In my opinion, the most impressive part of the X-MAGE shooting experience appears when photographing people. The moment you launch the camera, it immediately begins recognizing different scenes, switching between shooting modes and continuously refining the composition. Once you choose one of the recommended color styles, the system takes things a step further by suggesting poses that match the scene. Since the subject's positioning is displayed directly on the screen, photographers no longer have to constantly worry about whether someone is standing at an awkward angle or if the overall framing looks balanced. Everything is guided in real time. Simply put, it feels like having a complete photography assistant built right into the phone. That said, if your top priority when shooting portraits is extracting every bit of detail from the 200-megapixel telephoto camera and its 4 times higher resolution, then the XMAGE selfie features alone probably won't be the deciding factor. Now that all the photos are taken, let's talk about editing, because that's where things get even more interesting. One standout feature is the new 3D surround effect for dynamic photos. After enabling the enhanced mode, the camera creates a bullet time style surrounding animation based on the movement of the subject, giving photos a much more immersive feel. Another interesting addition is the AISO image processing feature. Surprisingly, it doesn't come across as a typical AI-generated effect at all. One mode intelligently darkens the background to make the subject stand out more prominently, while another recreates the look of direct flash photography by naturally rebalancing the light and shadow throughout the entire image. The results feel realistic rather than artificially processed. Moving on to the front-facing camera, the Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max performs exceptionally well in several areas. Its ultra-wide front camera is so expansive that it can easily capture both the subject and a large portion of the background, even in confined spaces such as inside a car. I've actually used it for shooting numerous video thumbnail covers. The front portrait camera also includes AI-powered pose recommendations, making it much easier to capture attractive and well-composed selfies. Beyond the cameras, there are plenty of small but thoughtful features that enhance the overall experience. Take the display, for example. The Huawei Pura 90 Pro Max offers extremely high brightness, making the screen easy to see even under strong outdoor sunlight. It also features excellent anti-reflection performance, which further improves visibility. The newly introduced cute pet-themed wallpaper adds playful interactive animations while charging or using the desktop, giving the phone a more lively personality. There's also a privacy alert feature. If someone attempts to peek at your screen, the phone can proactively warn you. It supports a wide range of applications, and while it may seem like a small feature at first, it provides a reassuring sense of privacy and security, especially when reviewing or editing photos in crowded public places. Looking back at the overall experience, it's fascinating how the Pura 90 Pro Max manages to deliver such strong results despite appearing less impressive on paper. The main camera remains consistently reliable, while the telephoto camera stands out even more than expected. At the same time, XMAGE's AI-assisted photography tools make the entire shooting process significantly easier. This is not only a flagship imaging smartphone that proves its capabilities through image quality, but also one that actively helps users frame shots, guide compositions, and capture better-looking photos with less effort.